Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, anybody know the Gandhi? Who is Gandhi? Gandhiji is our father of nation. He is the one of the freedom fighter. Gandhiji full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Born 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat, Porabandar. Here, one of the lesson is there related to Gandhiji. Then, now let us start the lesson. Lesson number 7, such was Gandhiji. In his autobiography, Mahatma Gandhi narrates an incident which is very inspiring. Gandhiji tell about one of the incident. It's very inspiring incident. It is this incident is Gandhiji's autobiography. What is the meaning of autobiography? Your own life story written by you. Mahatma Gandhiji narrates an incident. Narrates means tell about. Inspiring means giving a lesson due to something do good. It is the autobiography, Gandhiji's autobiography, one of the incident. The Gandhiji's incident is very inspiring. It is autobiography tell about is Gandhiji's one of the incident. Okay, what is the incident? Now we see here. Once his brother was in debit for 25 rupees. Gandhiji's brothers debit for 20 rupees. Gandhiji brothers debit. Debit means the money borrowed. ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ 25 rupeesನ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ brothers borrowed for debit for 25 rupees. Since there was no other way out to pay the debit, no way to pay the money for any other way, young Gandhi and his brother sold out a tola, about 12 grams of gold, from his brother's heavy bracelet. Then who sold the bracelet? Gandhiji and his brother sold the bracelet. Once done, it was difficult enough for Gandhiji to bear and conceal it. Conceal means to hide. It's very difficult because anybody know the bracelet was sold. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆದರೂ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಹಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ, wrote the truth on a piece of paper and sent it to his father Karamchand Gandhi. Then he take one of the piece of paper, then he write the truth. Then sent it his father. The father name is Gandhiji. Father name is Karamchand Gandhi. Then he sent it the letter because he very guilty. Why he guilty? Because he sold for 12 grams gold. Then in this letter, not only did Gandhiji ask for defeating punishment for himself. Why he write this letter? It's not only letter. He has to deciding the punishment for himself. He asked the father for punishment because he sold the 12 grams gold. This story it's not know about the father. Then he write the letter and give the punishment for me as to Gandhi to father, but also promise not to do so in future. What had he written, Gandhiji? Gandhiji returned to all the story about the gold story. Then he asked for punishment for himself and to do so in future than he promised. As usually, his father said nothing to him. Just tear rolled down his cheeks and he went to his bed. When the Gandhiji father read the whole letter, then he not tell nothing. Then his cheeks then come out to the tears. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಓದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಬಂತು. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ ಬೆಡ್. ಎಲ್ಗೋದ್ರವರು ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಬೆಡ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಟು ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿಯರ್. ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅವನು ಹತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಹಿ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, those pearls drops pinced my heart like the arrow of love and I got pure at heart. ದೆನ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು, ಈ ಪಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಲವ್ ಒಂದು ಬಾಣದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. It was for his feeling that he never thought of stealing again. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ನೋ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಡಪ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಅಡಪ್ಟ್? He feel like stealing, I don't do it, stealing again. Then adopt the truth in his life, personal as well as public life forever. He is adopt the truth. Gandhiji adopt the truth is personal life and public life. Both to also he adopting there. Then he feeling like no stealing again. Then Gandhiji was a fearless man. Gandhiji was a fearless man. He used to say that he never feared death. Gandhiji used to say that he never feared death. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಡೆತ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he never feared like death. Then who is the fearless man? Gandhiji was fearless man. Then used to say that he never feared death. However, he was very much healthy, conscious. Once he was an outing along with his wife Kasturba. He was very much healthy, conscious. He is the fearless man. Then he not feared about the death. Then he was very healthy and conscious. Okay, once he was an outing along with his wife The wife name is Kasturba. Gandhiji is going to the outing with his Kasturba. Suddenly he stumbled up some object on the way and the blood began to ooze out from the injured toe. Then he stumbled object and then he come out to the blood began to ooze from the injured toe. He asked to bandage the wound. Gandhiji stumbled on, then he come out to the blood began. Then he asked to bandage the wound, the injury of the toe. Here, enough children. Here, then I will next continue the class children. Thank you children.